Hello students, now I am going to do the problems in vector integration. It's a tutorial class. In a vector integration, three types is there. All the three types I am going to discuss in a module 2, that is vector calculus, vector differentiation and then vector integration, which is comes under vector calculus in the subject advanced calculus and numerical methods. So now in all the three methods we'll do one or two problems. So first problem will be like this. Find the area of the asteroid. X equals to a into cos cube theta, y equals to a into sin cube theta by employing Green's theorem. The asteroid is given. So this is what the question. Here they asked us to find out the area of the asteroid. Asteroid equation they given. Clearly they mentioned that we have to apply the Green's theorem. Okay, by using that Green's theorem, that how to find out the area, that formula already it is there, so we'll use that formula and we'll go for finding the area. Okay, the asteroid is given by like this. So this is what the diagram of the asteroid. So finding area in Green's theorem, the formula will be like this: double integration over r dx dy, which is equals to 1 by 2 integration over c x dy minus y into dx. This is what the formula we are using to find out the area in a Green's theorem. You just observe the diagram also. So here the total area of asteroid is 4 into area of the first quadrant. Instead of finding in each and every quadrant, we'll find out the area in the first quadrant. If you multiply it by 4 means that will become a area of that full asteroid curve only. So that area can be written as 4 into 1 by 2 integration over c x dy minus y into dx. So asteroid will find out this in terms of that parametric, it means polar form will use that is x equals to a into cos cube theta and y equals to a into sin cube theta. You just do the derivative, that is dx is 3a cos square theta into minus sin theta d theta, and dy is 3a sin square theta cos theta and then d theta. Substitute these values x, y, dx, dy, all these values in terms of theta you will get. You just substitute in that equation, and the value in a first quadrant theta value is varying from 0 to pi by 2. You just do the little simplification inside that integral equation, so that equation will become like this: a is equals to 6a square integration from 0 to pi by 2 sin square theta into cos square theta with respect to theta. Now we have to evaluate this integral equation. So for this evaluating, we'll go for using the reduction formula. So formula will be like this: integration from 0 to pi by 2 sin m theta cos n theta with respect to theta. Formula will be like this: numerator m minus 1, m minus 3 and so on, and n minus 1, n minus 3 so on, divided by m plus 1 and 2 m plus n minus 2. If both m and n are even means that we have to multiply it by pi by 2. Anyhow here m and n both are even only because 2 is there. We'll go for multiplication of pi by 2 here. Odd means so there just 1 will come. Now we'll apply this formula to find out the value of this integral equation. So that a can be written as 6a square into 1 by 4 pi by 2. On simplification we are getting area is 3 pi a square divided by 8 square units. This is what our required solution. Now we'll see the next problem. Evaluate integration x dxy dx plus xy square dy by Stokes theorem, where C is the square in the xy plane with the vertices 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1 and 0, 1. We have from Stokes theorem, clearly they mentioned Stokes theorem we have to use. So we'll write the formula: integration over C vector f dr, which is equals to double integration over S curl f dot n cap with respect to S. Here they given vector f dot dr is nothing but, so first we'll find out this xy dx plus xy square dy. So vector f is, if you separated means you will get vector f and also dr. Dr means dxi plus dyj plus dzk, and vector f can be written as xy into I cap plus xy square into j cap. So here in a Stokes theorem we have to find out curl f. So we'll find out the curl f, that is I cap, j cap, k cap will come in the first row of the determinant. In a second row, dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z, and the last row it will become xy square and then 0. You just go for expansion of this determinant. On expansion we are getting y square minus x into k cap. We need del cross f dot n cap into ds. On simplification we are getting y square minus x into dx dy. This is solution. You just substitute in the formula. So that will become double integration over s curl f dot n cap into ds. Here with the help of diagram easily we can find out the limit of x and y, that is minus 1 to plus 1. So integration from x equals to minus 1 to plus 1 and y equals to minus 1 to plus 1. So solution is y square minus x dy dx. It's a double integration. On simplification we are getting solution as 4 by 3. So here, so this is what our required solution here. Now we'll see the next problem. Evaluate double integration over s x into I cap plus y into j cap plus z into k cap dot n cap into ds, where s is the surface of the sphere x square plus y square plus z square, which is equals to a square. You just observe here, surface means it will come, we have to go for using that Gauss divergence theorem only. So evaluate, we have to evaluate this, and clearly they given surfaces, it's a sphere they given. So we'll write that Gauss divergence theorem formula. We have to write double integration over s vector f dot n cap with respect to s, which is equals to triple integration over v divergence of f dot dv. Here vector f is nothing but, here vector f is xi plus yj plus z into k cap. So we'll find out the divergence of f, that is del dot vector f. Substitute the definition of del, dou by dou x I cap plus dou by dou y into j cap plus dou by dou z into k cap, that into xi plus yj plus zk. On simplification we are getting solution as just 3. Now substitute in the formula, triple integration vector f dot n cap into ds, that is triple integration 3 dv. 3 you just take it as a common. Triple integration over v is stands for capital V. So clearly they given the surfaces, actually the region is actually it's a sphere. So represented by, where V is the volume of the sphere of radius a, represented by x square plus y square plus z square, which is equals to a square. So volume of the sphere is 4 by 3 pi a cube. That solution you just substitute in place of v, 3 will get cancelled. So the required solution is 4 pi a cube. This is what our required solution. Now we'll see the next problem. Use Gauss divergence theorem to evaluate double integration vector f dot n cap ds, where vector f is x square minus z square I cap plus 2xy j cap plus y square plus z square into k cap, where s is the surface of the cube bounded by x equals to 0, 1, y is 0 to 1 and z equals to 0 and then 1. So here limits of x, y, z they given, and by using that Gauss divergence theorem we have to evaluate that equation. Okay, first we'll write the statement of the Gauss divergence theorem. Double integration over s vector f dot n cap ds, which is equals to triple integration over v divergence of f with respect to v. Vector f they given, for that you just find out the divergence. So that will become 4x plus 2z. So divergence value if you are getting means you just substitute in the RHS side of the formula. So anyhow limit value of xyz they given in a question itself, that is x is varying from 0 to 1, y is varying from 0 to 1, even z is also varying from 0 to 1. So you just substitute the solution, that is 4x plus 2z with respect to dz, dy, dx. So inside integral equation, first you simplify, integrate with respect to z. So that will become 4xz plus 2z square by 2. 2 will get cancelled. So you just substitute the limit value of z, that is upper limit is 1 and lower limit is 0. On simplification we are getting equation has 4x plus 1. Integrate that with respect to y and substitute the limit as 1 and then 0. So now and finally you will get one equation 4x plus 1. That equation you will get, you just integrate with respect to x and substitute the limit as a 0 and then 1. So on simplification we are getting solution as 3. This is what our required solution. Thank you.